In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the black screen issue on your Acer Nitro 5 laptop. Facing this problem, stick around because we've got a quick fix that might just solve it. If your Acer Nitro 5 turns on, but you're seeing nothing but a black screen, no logo, no display, don't worry. There are a few steps you can take to try and fix it. First, unplug all external devices connected to your laptop. This includes things like USB drives, your mouse and keyboard, and any external monitors or hubs. Sometimes external devices can interfere with the boot process and cause a black screen. Next, make sure your laptop has power. Plug it into the charger and check that the charging light comes on. If the battery is completely drained, the laptop might not display anything even if it seems like it's on. Now, do a hard reset. Find the power button on your laptop and press and hold it for 20 full seconds. Make sure to count slowly and don't release it early. This part is important because it clears any residual power that might be causing the display to stay black. Once you've held it for 20 seconds, release the button and give it a few seconds. Now, press the power button again to turn the laptop back on. This reset won't delete any of your files. It's just a soft reset that helps clear up minor power or boot issues. If this doesn't work, try connecting your laptop to an external monitor to check if it's just a screen issue. Sometimes the display panel itself might be the problem. You can also reseat the RAM if you're comfortable opening your laptop, but only attempt this if you have experience, as incorrect handling can cause damage. Another thing to try is removing and reinserting the battery if your model allows it. Let the laptop sit for a few minutes without power before reconnecting. You can also reset the BIOS by removing the CMOS battery or using the BIOS reset button if available. If the issue still persists after all these steps, it might be time to contact Acer support or take the laptop to a certified repair technician. Screens can sometimes be caused by hardware failures, such as a faulty motherboard or GPU, which require professional attention. Happy laptop using!